Hello everyone, welcome to the course on writing effective construction claims. In this course, we will take a deep dive into the essential skills required for writing comprehensive and effective construction claims. So, whether you are new to the world of claims or have some experience already with construction claims, this course is designed to give you the required knowledge and the practical guidance and also actionable insight. I'm sure you already know this, but when presenting a construction claim or even a response to a claim, the attention to detail and the professionalism in which the claim is written, they are of paramount importance. Unfortunately, many submissions fall short. They lack the necessary depth and necessary coherence. As a result, they often lead to additional queries or, in most cases, outright rejections. Conversely, a concise and a well-structured claim not only enhances your credibility, but it also increases the likelihood of a favorable outcome. In this course, we will explore the fundamental principles of claim writing, starting with the importance of clear and substantiated arguments. We will delve into the critical elements of a successful claim, including contract analysis and legal consideration, to bolster your case effectively. Moreover, we will also address common pitfalls and challenges that the claimants face. We'll look into the practical strategies to navigate them with confidence. So, whether you are a project manager, a contract administrator, or a legal professional, or even a planner who is trying to master the art of claim writing, this course is for you. So this course is basically divided into 7 lectures. Following this one, lecture 1, we will take a look at the things we need to consider before we write and submit a claim. This is basically a course intro. In the second lecture, we will look at how effective management of contracts helps in preparation and submission of claims. In the third lecture, we will look at the different types of claims. We'll then do a couple of lectures on how to present claims effectively. The next lecture will be the main elements of a successful claim. Then we'll look at the prelims to claims. The last 2 lectures are something that you probably deal with on a everyday basis. Lecture 8, therefore, is the extension of time claims. And in the last lecture, we will look at how we approach the cost calculations associated with these claims. To make the course more realistic and practical, we will use the FIDIC Red Book as a reference. We will assume that this is the contract agreement in the project we are executing. There are some key terms that we will use throughout the length of this course, so I think it's very important to define them. The first one is the employer. So the employer is basically the party who has ordered the work to be done. This could also be referred to as the client or the owner in other forms of contract. But since we are using the FIDIC Red Book, so we will refer to this party as the employer. The contractor is the party basically responsible for completing this work. I think you and I in this course will assume the position of a contractor because we are the ones who will create this claim. The engineer is the party that is responsible for administering the contract. In most cases in our day-to-day life, we call them the consultant. The reviewer is the person responsible for reviewing our claim, and he is the person who will produce a determination, a defense, or a response to our claim. The contract. The various documents, including the letter of award, the agreement, the contract conditions, the specifications, the drawings, and any other documents listed in the agreement or the letter of award, which together form the contract. The program. The program means a breakdown of the work that is required. This is broken down into a list of planned activities with bar charts. This is generally done in Microsoft Project or Primavera. In some parts of the world, the program is also referred to as the schedule. Another term that we will hear quite a lot is delay damages. Delay damages are basically, it's the sum of money which shall be paid by the contractor, that is us, to the employer in case we are not able to complete the project in the due time. Some contracts refer to the delay damages as liquidated damages or even penalties in some case. Currency. Given the international target of this course, where it is necessary to refer to monetary values, I have used in this course US dollars as the currency. The whole idea of the course is to create realistic scenarios that we can relate to so that we can understand the whole process of claim preparation easily. So let's dive in and explore the secrets of effective claim writing together. Stay tuned for lecture 1.